Hi, I'm Anna with LeadLove, and today I want to demo how you can leverage the Ticketmaster to HubSpot integration to send a know before you go email to your game attendees. Today, you have to pull your list in Archtics, export it, re-import it into HubSpot, and then manually send your email. It's a pretty time-consuming process and a lot of steps. But what if I told you there's an easier way to do this? With LeadLove's Ticketmaster to HubSpot integration, you're able to dynamically pull lists and send emails to your game attendees without ever having to leave HubSpot. Want to see how it all works? Let's jump into HubSpot. All right, here's the email I'm going to send to my game attendees. So far, I've got a lot of information that could be helpful for them to attend the event, and also ensuring that they know where and when it is, and promoting the merch, because go Wildcats. So with this, it's very easy to customize it. You can jump into the text and just start typing words. I spelled that wrong, but that's okay. Very easy to delete and make sure that it's up to date. Once my email is good to go, all I have to do is publish my updates. Fantastic. And move over into a workflow. So with this one, I started doing a deal-based enrollment trigger. So people that have purchased tickets in simple terms. So clicking in, I have my event date is less than 1 day from now. So basically I want to send my email the day before the event. And then my ticket status is equal to any of A. So that's Ticketmaster language for saying they paid for their ticket. You do have the option to re-enroll contacts every week. So let's say you do have a generic email that you want to send out that the information's not changing. This would be a great time to keep this enrollment on so that any time an event is happening, it sends the day before. For mine, it's very customized to the event, so I'm going to turn this off. Save. Okay, so let's click this plus sign. I want to make sure that my email goes out to my customers at a very good time, that it's not, 3 a.m. So let's put in a delay and say time of day. I want my email to go out at around noon. Pretty easy, right? Save. And now let's include that email send. So clicking the plus sign again, communication, send email. It's going to all contacts that are going to this event. Click my email, know before you go. So there's my nice preview of the email. And click save. Once you're ready to turn this on, you just click review and publish, and it's good to go. Talk about simpler list building and saving time building emails and sending them to your customers. Want to learn more of how this Ticketmaster to HubSpot integration works? Head over to LeadLove's website to request a demo today.